Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I just wanted to share with you a sneak peek of the March projects for the Sweet Creations Club. Now, if you're already part of the club, you are good to go. You don't need to do anything, no registering. You'll automatically be charged for your project kit and just enjoy. I will be sending those out by March 20th. Now, if you're not part of the club, I'll tell you a little bit about that in a minute. But at first, I wanted to share with you a sneak peek, close-up of all the projects that you'll be making. Now, the project kit will include the pre-cut supplies to make the 5 projects. You will want to own some supplies, though, in order to stamp and cut some of the pieces, though. And you'll also, too, be making this really fun hexagonal box. And yes, it will include some lemon candies in your packet. Now, if you're not part of the Sweet Creations Club, let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a monthly subscription club where you're charged $39 each month. It includes first class shipping with tracking. It includes approximately $20 in Stampin' Up! Products and a PDF tutorial for you to be able to put your projects together. Now, it also too, the club earns some really fun club perks. When you first sign up, I'm going to send you a package of dimensionals as a little welcome gift. And then once you've been part of the club for 6 consecutive months, I'll send you a fun little gift valued about $25. And you will get that every 6 months as you stay a subscriber. Now, if you are not quite part of the club yet and not ready to subscribe, I do offer a non-subscription option. I do only have a limited number of those available, though. It is $39 and you get the same thing as the club, so you can try it out. It just doesn't earn the club perks. Now, if you want to subscribe or sign up for the 1-month club, check in the description, but make sure that you select the correct link because there are 2 links. There's one to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and then there's the one for the 1-month option if you just want to try it out 1 month. Now, you will need to own certain products in order to complete the projects as I have designed them. As I said, it's going to be featuring the Honeybee Home bundle, so you'll want to make sure and add that bundle. You'll also, too, will want to have the black Memento ink pad and some blends. Now, I am using Saffron as well as the Balmy blue Stampin' blends. And I recommend, too, some adhesives. The adhesives that I like to use are the multi-purpose liquid glue. Now, if you want, you can use your favorite tape as well, some mini glue dots, and a package of Stampin' dimensionals. Now remember, if you're joining for the first time and subscribing, you get a package in your first project kit as a little fun gift from me. All right, so let me tell you a little bit more what you can expect in your project kit. That $20 that I was telling you about, what that is going to include is a half a pack of the Coordinating Designer Series paper. Really beautiful prints. Now on the back, there are some wood grain prints there. Also, too, a full pack or a full bolt of the Bumblebee gingham ribbon and a package of the doilies for you to be able to use in your projects. Now, I do have some optional add-ons that you can include with your subscription or with your 1-month kit. I will have the options for you to add on for you will need, but there are some optional ones that I wanted to tell you about. Now, one of the things I did is to pull in more of the blue color. I did use this Memories and More card pack to be able to do that. So if you would like to have a whole set of these cards, then you can have that option to add that on in your registration. Also, too, this Hive embossing folder. Like I said, I already have embossed the pieces that you'll need, but I know when you see them, you're going to want to make more. So if you don't already have the Hive embossing folder, I recommend adding it on. So guys, I am super excited to be able to make a project kit for you to enjoy some fun crafting. Now, if you live here locally in San Antonio and would like to join us in person, then you can check out that information, and I would love to have you craft with us in person. Otherwise, guys, I look forward to sending you some happy mail in March. Take care. Bye, guys.